In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account using your non-Google email. In this case, I would ask that you use the email address that you currently use for work and that you receive group emails on. This will create less confusion for streamlining the groups already created. One of the benefits of having you use your work email is because it prevents you from having another email address to manage. It also simplifies the process of accessing important information without having to pull up and log on to another account. You might be thinking, why do you need to create a Google account? Simply put, in order for you to access PRP Northeast contact lists, reports, protocol, videos, etc., you will have to have a Google account. So let's begin. Start by logging out of all email accounts, websites, anything that is open, and close your web browser. Next, open Google Chrome web browser. If you don't have Google Chrome, you can always download it. Now, in your address bar, type in www.google.com, hit enter. Then, in the upper right-hand corner, click on the blue sign-in icon. Type in the email address you will be using to create a new Google account. This would be your work email. In this example, I'm going to use my Yahoo email. Click on Create an Account and then select For Myself. It then takes you to this new section, Create Your Google Account. Type your first name, then your last name. Next, click on Use My Current Email Address instead. You will then type your work email in again that you want to create the Google account with. You'll notice that below this, it notifies you that you will need to confirm that the email belongs to you. Create a username and password that you will use to log into the Google account. I use the same one associated with my work email to make it easier for me to remember. Then click Next. You will notice it asks you for a verification code. Google automatically sends this code to the email you are creating the account with. You will then need to log into that email and look for the verification email Google sends you. It will be titled Verify Your Email Address. Copy this verification code. Go back to the previous window, Google account, and enter the verification code and then click Verify. A screen will come up that says Welcome to Google. You will need to fill out a few more items before you are actually able to get into your account. You can skip entering your phone number, however, you will have to fill out your date of birth, gender, and then you can click Next. The privacy and agreement terms come up. You can read through this, but if you don't want to, you can just scroll down and then the Accept button will appear. Click on I agree. It then brings you back to the screen that you originally started with. You may wonder if it worked. If you look at the upper right-hand corner, you will notice there is a letter, probably the letter of your first name that you created the account with. If you click on that, you will see your information is displayed. From here, you can sign out if you choose to. However, I find it easier to leave it open during the day so that if I'm accessing documents that are Google oriented, I'm not having to log in and out throughout the day. Because you will need to access documents, I will show you quickly where they are located. In the upper right-hand corner, next to the letter icon, you will see a square icon made up of 9 little dots. Click on this icon. Once you click on it, it opens a window that shows several icons, and these are called apps. Click on the one that looks like a triangle. This is called My Drive. It is where all your documents are stored for yourself. As documents are moved out of circulation and stored for the group, You will be granted access permissions with the email you just created the Google account with. When this happens, you will see another icon below your My Drive called Team Drive. I will show you what that looks like in my Google Drive. Notice the Team Drive now is listed below My Drive. Think of Team Drives as a file cabinet for PRP Northeast, where everyone has to go to this drive in order to access any documents affiliated with PRP Northeast. When I click on Team Drive, it shows several Team Drives. You will only see the ones you have been added to and have access to. There will be more training on Team Drives in the near future. In the meantime, thank you for your time and please create your Google account today using your work email address.